solution for it. Okay, today I will give you how to make a umbrella place at home, because that handicraft is simple, economical, and easy to make this handicraft. So you can see this is ingredients or material of umbrella place. First, you need umbrella, 2 bottles of water, cutter, scissors, plaster, rope, and color paint. So now let's start to make this handicraft. Take 2 bottles, cut the top of bottles and bottom of bottle. After that, use plaster to cover the part of bottle after cutting. After you add plaster on the bottle, combine the bottles until like tube. Besides that, if you want to put accessories, do it, and you can express your imagination at your handicraft. Especially for me, in my mind, I will use color paint to express my imagination, and besides that, to add the uniqueness at my handicraft. After you paint your handicraft, let dry 30 minutes. After you finish painting the bottle of umbrella place, now put the or add a rope on the top of umbrella place. This rope have function to hanging your umbrella place. So for everyone, you can see the umbrella place, and I will try to hanging the umbrella place. So this is my umbrella place. I think this is good solution for your umbrella. Okay, thank you everybody to watching my video. That's all about my DIY video to make an umbrella place. So don't forget to give me lot of comment in my video.